Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we know about the USDINR important levels, targets, news, strategy. If you're interested, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it with Telegram channel, link in descriptions. Congratulations friends, today's our both trade are successfully achieved and we get a massive profit. First of all, our sales trade we make a profit around 18 pip and our buy trade we get a profit around 12 pip. If anyone doesn't know about what is the PEEP, please write in comment. I will make a video on it. Okay, here we know about USDINR important levels and targets for tomorrow. First of all, we buy USDINR above 72.52 and the targets are 72.60 and 72.65. In against scenario, if USD/INR below 72.40, we sell and the targets are 72.35 and 72.30. Okay friends, please like, share, subscribe and connect it with our Telegram channel, link in descriptions. Okay, take care, bye bye.